Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to mute accounts on Threads app. Why would you want to know how to mute accounts on Thread app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Threads and not sure how to mute accounts on Threads app. So today I am going to show you how to mute accounts on Threads app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Muting accounts on Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will mute accounts on Thread app. First of all, open Threads app in your device, and now here is my Threads home screen. Then first open that account you want to mute, and now I will open this account. Now in this screen, click on three dots in the right top corner and now click on mute and again click on it, and that account has been muted on Thread app. So there you go. If you were wondering how to mute accounts on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.